it was brought to my attention that somebody or two persons lost their life in Mountain View yesterday. So I have some posts here where Tina coming and make a show no how no people wicked out here. Wicked, dangerous, wicked, dangerous. Now let me ask you something, Tina. Me come from Kingston 13, and anytime lot of few people lose them life around there. Now, me ask you something. I don't know, cause I say, I can even put Lorraine in night. Lorraine come from Waterhouse. Now, this so-called man who wanna give the doctor, come they want call the lady name in no bangarang. Why one time anything, why I could not take up everything and I put on the woman broad back and the woman shoulder? Now, from a little till now, wherever they are Mountain View, because Mountain View is the only area where every lane have them own so-called, and she go there. Remember, she not born a Mountain View, she on Mountain View. When the young man where owner did give her the name what she there with, that man, I don't see name, well lost his life yesterday. That man don't live upper the area. You know all wicked till you put all post alone in him night. I know the sound say the man live now. You know say the man live beside the lake. It's rich. That's why when she remember make we go through what me say what you know say. The man where you give her and the none of the three name them wanna call him and none of the three. What make you know wicked so? Una go on like say and the woman one Mountain View. Una go on like say come here. Blue old Tina, blue fly, blue garbage fly, come here. Where you want mix up the woman in a bangarang for? Come here. Oh, not too wicked out here. If Dan dead all the while and everywhere. When time not Dan dead, no woman make could knock out. What make when the dad them then out of south side and not take it up. What make when the Dan them dead down a Waterhouse over Common over Portmore Lorraine not take it up. What make when time the Dan them dead in anywhere Kingston 13 because Kingston 13 is big all through Greenwich Farm, Whitfield Town, Maxwell Avenue, Walton Park Road. Oh no, give me no bird now. Move on the cloth and go on too unfair, or not too bitter. It's not the man who want to blood give her. So when Dan lose them life a Mountain View, wanna call and mix up the woman name in a it for. When she come past social media, she never touch, she never hide and talk. And now I the only get her, and I the only move on a dot cloth and go. What that have to do with the woman? It's not the man name. All of us study from the woman coming not afraid for talk. Me not afraid for talk. Only no come and send there with Mikey 1-2. Mikey 1-2 right name is what? Is what? No, uno said that Mikey live beside Miss Richie. So all of us sudden know other places I wanna go. I wanna mix up the woman for. When the man them dead for out the south side, I cannot talk about it. Una go on like could not come from get on. Una have all, you have all person Tina. Where you want mix up the woman in a bangarang for? You need to stop it. Drunk crow. The man who lose him life that have nothing to do with the woman. We all of a sudden everything we go on a Mountain View no red. Look how much thing I go on other places in Jamaica. How everything we go on a Mountain View like when the woman responds to Mountain View. But what if the lady responds to Mountain View? Everything we go on about, what me when time it go on now, what else you not call our name? Look how much things happen down the south. Look how much things happen now water out. What me could not talk about that? I go on for blood clot, go away. Allow the woman alone. I stop one mix up the woman in a banger and the guy don't have nothing to do with the woman. Me glad uno they give the woman a name, uno fuck one man panar. It's not that man meet him and lose him life. So all of us don't know when time when uno so unfair. When other things go on to other places, oh nobody not take it and put it down for uno. Tina, why the little dirty rasta boy where you pin CJ pan? Why make him couldn't go back a south side where him come from? What did he do? Didn't you quit him? You make a baby with him. She don't make any baby with nobody. She don't make any baby. Our baby father name laddie. And them the picnic they are not jacket because they couldn't go foreign. Them couldn't go to foreign. So make a reason now and read the facts. Me know what me telling them. Me know want none of them like me out here. But me I go talk my truth. It might come with a couple clock behind, but it's the truth. Another man they name me money that call you know. She no government from Mountain View. Tell me something from Tina. From, no man they never did out the south side. Where you come from? Dan come from south side, Craig come from south side, Sass come from south side. All of the man them a grind out your blue hole come from south side. Remember you have a picnic with Craig. You said the little dirty rasta boy where Craig not have nothing for, where little CJ not have nothing for. Why when he come, when you deport him, cause you deport him, why he couldn't go back out the south side? Can't talk about that. Go make real about that. Galang go make real about that. Dirty old Tina go make real about that. Go make real about that. Go talk and go make post about that. Something go on a Mountain View that have nothing to do with the woman or not too bitter. Christ have mercy, man. Oh, not too wicked. We don't want the woman for the compound platform come talk about it for them take the woman life. When you live at Tina, where the blood clot Tina who sent Tina, did you tell? Come here. Come here. Did you tell the immigration who did use your pussy for a barrel of judgment bag or a suitcase or who did fuck out your blood clot and take drugs push up underneath you? You did tell them that? All of the people them where you used to spar with from the office to the carpenter crew, the doctor crew, the lawyer crew, when you used to, you did tell them that? Me ask if you did tell them that drunk crew. Couple years ago, people did lose them life right beside a PJ yard. Oh, those too wicked. Remember, find the woman coming to keep and I call this Mikey name, you know. Me no see no Mikey and no Mikey lose him life. Me no see no and no Mikey lose him life. So we wanna come now wanna mix up the woman name. We do go on a Mountain View about. We wanna mix up the woman name on the wicked. Me know Mikey, everybody know Mikey White name cause I'll call it out here. Who all call out the name out here. So what kind of outer hardness that you want with a woman? Tina, to be exact, because of your posts and of your things them me see. You're too nasty and dirty with your blue hole and your pit latrine mouth. You're too nasty. That not have nothing to do with a woman. And she not obligated to talk about that. At Jamaica she live. With some woman thing one, she have her life and a one life she have. You go down on my quanta no go to Jamaica on the hide. Go down there, go put up on the mouth and talk. One me go there no go Jamaica and go down in the park and sit down and go somewhere. I pay post your post. All the people down there you want you go there go post. She not mix with gunman and she not supposed to attract gunman business. That is not fair business. That's the police business. She are not the only citizen in a Mountain View. Which part I come from enough gunman down there? Which part Lorraine come from? And every Jamaican blogger come from gun bandy there. And people lose them life every day. I mean, I say, no, Lorraine take it up on our platform and talk about it. Lorraine must hear so this year one year lose them life first, so Lorraine take it up and talk about it. Maybe I think Lorraine brother them meet her despite maybe she that in there. Lorraine must take it up, hear about it, and she not take it up on our platform and talk about it. Tina, you need to come talk with Craig do make him can go back to Southside, make him have to down a out here hide. When you deport him, what make you unfair and nasty and stink and dirty so? Oh no too enough. You know I burn my boat to know? Especially you Tina. If you never take gunman, come let me remind you, why your door did shoot off in front of your tree picnic them? Why your door, remember with that 3-man collision that happened in the look up piece of flat where the government gave away taxpayers did pay for with the tree picnic them? You know, come let me remind you something. Come here. Come here. Come here. When the 3-man collision did go on in your yard, when the door did shoot off, you'd have to call Mr. McLeod to put it back. When Dan shoot off the door, would he come out to contact? You can't tell the people them what I come here and wait for you what when the 3-man collided in that little apartment there. In front of your 3 underage kids. The 3-man collision where they go on, where the door did shoot off. That's nasty. So if the doctor did even have a relationship with somebody and them lose them life, it was still nasty. More than the 3-man collision would be nasty, would have more nasty. Because you have 3 underage kids when no man should be around them. While you have a man, you know the man have molest them. The man see the man turn CJ and a full blown batty man. CJ all wear sitting on the head where girl wear. That's nasty and dirty. And Dan come there. When Dan come out, when you run out Dan come there and Dan shoot off of the man, shoot off the door. And Mr. McLeod had to come and fix back the door. You remember that? Tina explained that story there to me. May I wait for ear? Cause you always I look up in a Donna batty hole. And you not see where you're not supposed to out here talk because a peer gunman and court drugs dealer grind you. You of all person need to keep that pit latrine well sealed. Because they say if Craig was a good law-abiding citizen, when you deport him from the United States of America, he should be able to go to Southside. Because if I go to Jamaica tomorrow morning, I can go to Whitfield Town. And everywhere. I can walk freely from Tivoli Garden, Denham Town, Greenwich Farm, Rosetown, all over. Down to 3 Mile. Back to all over. Straight up to Mullines Road. Therefore, I can walk it. Seriously walk it. Can go to jungle, I can go everywhere. Wicked set of serpent. Evil. Want to blame the woman. What the fuck that has to do? What that have to do? Make we be fear. What that have to do? The whole of we come from get a most away. People lose them life down there. Sometimes I went to my auntie had left them. Some of them I left them before them born. Me early yesterday one they have baby. Some of them I can't even remember them because I left them a baby. What that have to do? I must be favor blood clot thing going on Mountain View, things going on Whitfield Town, things going on Southside, things going on Whitehouse. Oh, we not take the blame. We not go suck on the mama wall a decent fuck off and go and allow the blood clot to man make you prosper. That me I say. We not go like all the blood clot, whole 14 blood clot parish of Jamaica get bad. Mountain View blood clot bad, even it better. Cause from it little to the blood clot now. Mountain View, Tivoli Garden, always a blood clot kick up a since blood dust the peace did always dead. Every blood clot get all up on the hills have it problem. Every blood clot thing at now Mountain View like you don't want to take it up and put it on bumbo clot than a Joshua fire gun. But the blood clot you not mix up the woman for. Uno too, hey! I'm telling you already, you know. You see Uno out on this blood clot here, that's why my blood when me turn we come out here and rip it up on the blood clot and not care any girl or any boy. Cause if the woman did say so, you see all this brand thing, you see if the woman did say so, no for no could have bright on the blood clot. So remember, you know, when you come on social media, you know, 2 man you call upon this woman name, you know. 2 man, you know, so that's why me hear all Uno see a man call the woman around the woman, you know. Uno give the woman, everybody know, laddie her baby father. And Uno give the woman Mikey, right? The every blood clot platform all the county they got dig up story about Mikey. I mean I really want, cause I'm not afraid, I'm afraid. Cause if there is a man like that for true, he couldn't vex because say in name. Don't name none of that. Uno say the man live near Miss Richie. I'm sure no say Silone don't live near Miss Richie. Silone live a back bush. And Miss Richie would have live around and Miss somewhere around a Goodwill. So all the blood clot on a mix up. Who make any time nothing. Look how much things happen. Who make no bitter so. Look how much blood clot thing at Matina when the man them dead for the Southside. Who come out to come blame you? What did blood clot Craig do? Make him can't go back out to Southside him after I don't have Ochi. What Craig do? And you gonna write up post with the woman name. I don't think that can stop the blood clot. Woman, go suck on the woman and go away. You go suck the blood clot woman, go suck out the woman pussy when it want wash, because that's obviously what you don't want to do. Move on the dirty blood clot. I don't think you can come brainwash. One dot. And you know what? The whole of them people come from blood clot. Get to know, get to run pussy. Well, I think a pussy hole can play with most part I come from. And from a blood clot granny and my auntie, them and my mother found blood clot nation in that. You think a pussy hole can go which part I come from and this me? And them a blood clot man and them a live. Me and a hand there. How much are we not come from blood clot? Get to know, they get to run. You know, for move on the dirty blood clot and go, come out, come talk with me, Craig. Come back out here. Come back. I don't have no time, but I will make the blood clot time when it touch Tina for you. If I even before there when me come in my house, get your dirty blood clot out here. Where Craig blood clot do me Craig can go back out the south side. No tell me son a man a south side no lose them blood clot life. Go make content with that and go suck your mama. You not going like blood clot than a MP for Mountain View. Or she a Mountain View government. Move! Move up! Move on the dirty blood clot. Move up on the dirty stinking no privileged blood clot and go on too wicked. I only did out here call up Mikey name. Me know one Mikey losing blood clot life last night. So the bumbo clot. You know come out this morning pan you come out yesterday and I make ceremony and I make big blood clot post. You walk from platform. What time you be a pussy? What time you wash your pussy? What time you wash your pussy? What time you go to the laundry? You no go and go suck out to no mama allow the blood clot to man alone. Now that me I tell you no. Give the woman a blood clot break make she breathe. Uno act how she not come out come talk. All the blood clot uno no come out come talk when time uno mama fuck off uno blood clot family and uno come. And uno not come out come talk what. So nobody know. So what uno indulge in the woman like uno no hear what go on in a full no blood clot area and district and community wanna come from come talk about that. Then no can give she a blood clot break. Come talk about blood clot that. Come talk oh your blood clot picnic no live nowhere like yourself. What make the whole of uno did that in the blood clot place like one set of prisoner. You quarter does a grand picnic, quarter does a blood clot picnic, and you so much town in a one little blood clot place where if it's a single person. The place was overpopulated that should call the blood clot city and you're two blood clot workless. While your daddy into a arms house. A blue old blood clot girl, how the woman alone, you know. One don't want to mix up the woman name. Now, who come out here come say with blood clot Mikey. Mikey should be alive and blood clot kicking. So other man. How other man lose him life and no want come get like no want come pin. So no want to say she there with all of the blood clot than them. Well, she couldn't there with all of the blood clot than them and she alive or to that be big problem. So no make no story straight. Make no blood clot story straight. Hey, I vex no bumbo clot. When I tell you, say, you know why I'm vex? And I'm going to tell you why I'm vex. And I'm going to tell you why I'm vex. Because I don't care. When this lady come past social media, 2 man call upon her name. Her baby father laddie. And them say she there with a Mikey. 1, 2, right? They always say the guy live, she build mansion for the guy beside Miss Richie. Cause first them say the guy did live beside her, but she build mansion for the guy beside Miss Richie and all of that. Okay, it is good. No. I don't like blood clot evil. I don't like evil. I don't like it. Even before, that's why I come out and this channel thing you talk about it. Even though me and Grace might have with difference, there are certain things I don't like. No. No. Remember, the guy name I was even Googled with the guy full name. The guy full name, okay? Remember, Miss Richie live on a Goodwill Avenue or Goodwill Crescent or some Goodwill business. Salone live a back bush. Right. From there, Jamaica not tell me so no know this. Mountain View ever play, you know them little play for them call them little Dan in a family area to Dan down at Tivoli Garden, Dan there Matches Lane, Dan there all about. So I don't like these things. I'm very upset about it. It's because I feel left and I don't want, because me I forgot drama and I don't want it. I would have rip it up more to bumbuckle, man. Good God. When the fear, remember I know no say Mikey, you no call Mikey name, all along a Mikey name a ring. Mikey supposed to live on a Miss Richie side, what I say. Miss Richie and Salone live at this different side. No. It was said that the Dan for Backbush meet his demise. Condolence to his family, rest in peace. Alright? Now, this lady live at Jamaica. The whole of we come from Jamaica. Oh, we not carry Jamaica news. Me come from Kingston, 13 people dead there weekly, daily, all the time. I don't blood clot carry, kind of for my business, because I have my people them down there, I don't want them lose them life. The closest me ever go are with Tikiana, because Tikiana is 1 yard part me and Tikiana them. You are uncle or mother, everybody. How the bumbo clot you don't want to mix up this man with this woman. So why when things happen for Lorraine, when the Waterhouse people them the Waterhouse done them meet them demise come talk about it. I may have a big blood clot question for Tina. Because the little dirty nasty cranny rasta boy when he and Craig were used to fuck out our wall because they say he must fuck out your wall for your call CG name for them. Tina come here. Tina come here. People, when me and the young girl come take it, tell me my blood clot hole never holy. Gunman fuck blood clot me. My hole never holy a blood clot. Gunman fuck me. Yeah. Me used to all fling the gun too. Take it, tell me. Cause you don't know my story better than blood clot me. Now, the little dirty rasta boy. Cause you know me notice enough how you know come at people country and go enough blood clotting me doing in my life. Enough thing. Yeah. So remember you know why Craig cannot go back out of south side? Why Craig cannot go back out of south side? I'm mad no one mad the blood clot to man tantrang Donna. Don't look out here. Me free of cost. When time uno come with no fuck me, I go send no blood clot in back. A fuck you not come with. Or uno not care blood clot gunman story. Oh, una na care gunman bumbleclot story. Tina, me ga ask you one question. You all holy, you blue all, my own no holy. Cause gunman fuck me. My own the holy, guilty as charged. But for you to come out, to come walk, to come criticize Donna, you all, you